And welcome back to Best of Kamloops. I'm Jason Mann with Rob Lemire of Wilson Beck Insurance. And Rob, congratulations on the nomination for Best Insurance Agency in Kamloops. Wilson M. Beck has been around for a while, but why don't you tell us the history, a bit of the story behind the agency?
Yeah, Wilson Beck Insurance. Well, Wilson M. Beck was a guy. He started a company over 40 years ago out of Burnaby, and his absolute focus was construction insurance. And he went off on his own because he believed that things could be done better. And then kind of expanded throughout BC, Alberta, a little bit of, and now we have a global office in Toronto. But I opened the Kamloops office 7 years ago, where all that's really cool because we stuck true to our roots. We're local, but we've got that clout to be able to negotiate with the alpha houses, we call them, the big international companies.
Yeah, that really does kind of set you apart and make you different, I guess, is BC-born company, local ownership, but scale and size to be able to provide your customers with all the good stuff that a larger agency maybe can that smaller ones can't, right?
Yeah, no, that's exactly it. And just that personal touch. And everybody that we have in the Kamloops office, which is 8 of us now, we're averaging 20 years experience. And we bring that to the table with old school customer service, actually talking to you about what you need, as opposed to just sending out emails or, it's not all just computers. It's about the people.
Wilson's original, vision of doing it better, what would that have looked like back in the day, and how does that translate to today?
Yeah, I mean, I think he was at Vancouver's largest construction-based insurance office as one of their top executives, and he decided that he could do it better. He could have higher standards, and so they actually call it the Easter Exodus when he left, and a lot of people left with him. Back, I think, 1984.
Sounds like a movie.
It does. And you know what? He did it. He built relationships, and I've sat with some of his clients and heard stories about how it was all about the relationships and how Wilson was there for people when they absolutely needed them. The insurance really came through and helped them succeed in their business and help them keep their livelihood after fires or whatever it may be. So that's what I feel is really still here. It's about the people, it's about our clients, it's about our relationships, and it's about our team. Our team, we look after each other in a very big way. I know it's been said many times in many places, but we're very much a family here and looking after each other's best interests.
And you said the company sort of started off in the construction industry or with that focus. What's the breadth of clientele that you work with today and types of services that you offer today?
Yeah, so we're still very much a construction boutique office, and that means that we can dive deeper into construction contracts and insurance requirements. That said, being from, I'm from Merritt, just over the hill, grew up there and moved here 23 years ago. I believe in looking after everybody equally. So our team we have that, local know-how of we're a bit of jack of all trades, whether it's a small business, any type of business, house insurance. We got our life and health division now as well. All with people who are just looking after good people.
All right. Rob Lemire, Wilson Beck Insurance. Best of Kamloops. Congratulations on the nomination for you and the agency, and good luck on the voting round.
Greatly appreciated. Thank you very much, Jason.